Hey everybody, this is a quick little video about how to write equivalent fractions. So come over here first and grab a pen or marker. Okay. So the first fraction we have is 4/12. And in the first video, remember what you're allowed to do is you're allowed to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number to get an equivalent fraction. Well, you're also allowed to divide by a common number. Okay, and for this, I know that 2 can go into both 4 and 12. So when I divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, okay, so that's a little division symbol. So let's divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. When that happens, well, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 12 divided by 2 is going to be 6. So 4/12 equals to 6. For this one, we have the fraction 90/100ths. And I know I can divide both 90 and 100 by a common factor of 10. So let's divide both the numerator and denominator by 10. And when we do that, well, 90 divided by 10 is 9. And 100 divided by 10 is 10. And there you go.